quacky chicks went to roam over the hills far from home. Mama duck called quack, quack, come back, but only 4 chicks waddled the track. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little quacky chicks flapped with glee over the hill and past the tree. Mama duck chirped, quack, quack, come through, but only 3 came back to view. 1, 2, 3. 3 little quacky chicks in the sun jumped in puddles and had some fun. Mama duck said, quack, quack, it's late, but only 2 came through the gate. 1, 2. 2 little quacky chicks chased a bee down by the pond near the willow tree. Mama duck called, quack, quack, come quick, but only 1 came home to stick. 1. Sad Mama duck went up the track, calling out loud, please come back. She gave a quack so loud and sweet, all 5 chicks came running on feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 5 little quacky chicks shout hooray, waddling home at the